SMETA Electric LPG AC/DC Propane Gas Absorption Chest Freezer (RV). SMETA takes portable chest freezing technology to a whole new level. Choose between only refrigerator or only freezer, but no matter which form of chill to freeze you prefer, the Electric LPG AC/DC Propane Gas Absorption Chest Freezer is 100% noise, freon, and pollution-free. And in the event of a power outage, a backup propane-propelled system kicks in for uninterrupted service with no temperature change, defrost, or food spoilage. If you're off the grid or nowhere near an electrical outlet, you can count on the SMETA Electric LPG AC/DC Propane Gas Absorption Chest Freezer to use 0.7 pounds of propane per day. A full-sized propane tank uses 20 pounds or 4.7 gallons per month. The energy-saving and efficient SMETA uses only 0.08 gallons of propane per day. An all-black cabinet features a single front locking latch, 2 stainless steel metal handles for carrying, and a single insulated flip-top door. A deep, removable storage basket inside the freezer can hold 2 half-gallon cartons of milk, and adjustable removable shelves let you puzzle together the perfect inventory for maximum storage. The sophisticated control panel is easy to navigate, is loaded with safety features and various indicator lights, AC, DC, piezo or level, and valve, for ease of use and alerting you to which freezer functions are in progress. Green AC and red DC lights indicate which power mode, and an important safety level light alerts you when the chest freezer is off balance and needs to find a flat surface. A flame indicator light built into the large on-off toggle switch shows you that the gas is flowing properly. The Edge Star comes with a limited 90-day warranty on labor and a full-year warranty on parts. Weighing in at 81.6 pounds with a 2.4 cubic foot capacity, the Edge Star is 25.8 by 20.3 by 27 inches, has a temperature variance between 0.9 and 32 degrees Fahrenheit, a 16-gallon capacity, uses a unique 3-way 110-volt home, 12-volt auto propane power source, and a manual defrost and drain valve. Now for some pros. Excellent customer support. Silent, no fan, no compressor technology. Electric to gas conversion backup system. And the off-balance light indicator. Now for some cons. Regulator and hose not included. Not recommended for use at high altitudes, and propane only reliable when electricity isn't available.